It's the first winter storm of the season. We're here in Arizona. Try to get a fire going. Everything's so wet. It rained quite a bit last night. Probably wondering what the heck's this crazy looking hat. It's actually a light. Just testing this thing out to see how we like it. But we got the wood stove going. We're gonna try to do some chili dinner. It's just, and the weather's crazy. It's just this mix of like grapple and snow mixed together, and comes in spurts. You just missed. I just missed some thunder, so I guess we're getting some thunder, snow, sleet, grapple, whatever this stuff's called. Let's try to get some chili on the wood stove. It's cold.
Well, winter finally found us, or should I say we found winter. I don't know, however you want to look at it. It's cold outside. We are trying our darndest to make some chili out here on the wood stove. As you can see, we're not really getting a whole lot of solar, so these winter well wood stoves are a great option to cook outside in conditions like this, but we're having a little hard time getting that fire going and keeping it hot. So we're just doing what we can, and if all else fails, then we'll move the operation on the inside of the box. But the kids are having fun rolling around and playing in the snow. I'm just trying to stay warm. Kurt's trying real hard to get this fire going, but we'll see what we can do. In the meantime, we're just gonna enjoy the scenery. Garlic with a little bit of snow. Well, we were able to get this fire hot enough finally to throw all the beans and the meat in there. It's just been a struggle with this wood. It's been really wet. I think it's still green. It didn't look like it had been on the forest floor for too long yesterday before we chopped it up, but it's surprisingly the only dead wood around here that I could find. It's only about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We keep getting like these intermittent breaks between a little bit of sunshine, snow, sleet, gravel. It's kind of a mix between everything right now. But it is cold and chilly. No pun intended. Hopefully our chili will be ready sometime this afternoon. Just gotta be patient. Smells good. All right, I think this is looking pretty good. Fire finally got hot enough. Probably could eat it now if we really wanted to, but you know, the longer it simmers, the better it tastes. All those flavors just are really brought out by that slow, low heat. My hands are frozen. I think I'm just gonna leave the lid off here and warm my hands up for a minute. Even with gloves on, I think the gloves make it worse, to be honest. Oh, that feels good. All right, dinner is ready, and I don't know about everybody else, but I am ready for a warm meal to warm up. The temperature is just plunging, it's dropping. It's supposed to be a low of 16 tonight. So as much time as we spent outside this afternoon, I think we're going to enjoy our chili inside the box and warm up because we are all frozen. My hands are freezing, my toes, I can't feel them. I can't feel my face. So let's take this inside and eat dinner. Luke! Door! I'm still freezing.
Time to eat.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I don't know if that's gonna blow out or not, but it is coming down. Good choice to eat inside. Very good, Jenny.
You know, after being in like 75, 80 degree weather now for, I can't even count the last time we saw cold weather, to be honest with you. We are not acclimated for the cold right now. My body's definitely still somewhere that it's 75 and sunny. I mean, it's beautiful, but whoo, boy, I'm not used to this.
Haven't been too bad. Those vests are nice. Those heated vests. These things.
Heated vest off of Amazon. Check down the link below. Definitely kept me warm outside. You just plug it into a battery pack. It's USB connected to any kind of battery bank, so I just plug it in and put it in my pocket here. And I've got warmers on the front and the back and up here as well. So that kept me pretty toasty, but my fingers still definitely had some issues.
See how much battery you got. I think that's it. Killed it. They don't use a ton of power, but just depends on how long you're out there.
Yeah.
But we got several of these little power bricks, and
I wore this all day from the minute that we went outside today until now, and it's almost, you know, sundown, so it lasted me all day.
So yeah, what, 5 hours or so?
Yeah, they're pretty cool. We'll put a link down in the description below. Make sure you check it out.
Definitely. Alright guys, kind of exciting morning. We were running low on battery last night. We didn't get any sun yesterday because of the snowstorm, so we had to get on top. We had to get the snow off. We actually moved the truck so it's in the sun and at an angle. We've been working out some kinks in the rig. My DC to DC chargers are down. They're barely putting out any wattage. We actually done a warranty for those, and we have some new ones coming. I think they're supposed to be actually delivered today. And then we're actually going to upgrade the alternator to a 48 volt alternator. All that stuff we'll talk about later. Been interesting. Couldn't get a fire going, running low on battery. Had to get up early this morning and get these panels cleaned off. So I think we're going to wrap it up here. We're going to get out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.